Akala ko ba sinabi sa'yo ng mga kaibigan mo? Sa bagay, mas magtataka pa ako kung sinabi talaga nila yun sa'yo.
Ano yung...
Kiefer and Yuri are my exes. Pagkamatay ni Percy, si Yuri ang una ko lumapit sa akin. Inalalayan niya ako, showing that he's there for me anytime. I really fell for him. And then, he took what he wanted.
Let's break up.
Just like every guy wants. And he left me. What he did was unforgivable. And then Kiefer showed up. Taking this back. Akala ko nung una dapat ako magpasalamat sa kanya. But I was so fucking wrong. He treated me like a queen. He saved me. He saved me. Kahit konti lang ang nakakaalam na may relasyon kami. But it all changed when he realized that it's still you.
Congrats, Freya. Galing-galing mo talaga. Isa pa, Agustin.
He was so consumed by jealousy.
Tama na! Tama na! All of you, out! Get out! Out! Now!
Kiefer, ano bang problema?
So you're enjoying it, aren't you? Bumabati lang!
Dating pa sa punto na pinagbuhatan niya ako ng kamay.
You don't go anywhere without my permission! At bawal kang lumabas ng bahay nang hindi ako kasama! Don't you ever try to disobey me!